welcome back to another video. Today we are solving question 69, square root of x within LeetCode. So simply we need to find the square root of x, but we cannot use any built-in functions to do this. So how we're going to do this is a binary search. So essentially we're going to take x and divide it in half and then see the square root, we're going to square x, and then if it's greater, if that midpoint is greater than x, then we're going to update the value of the left pointer to that midpoint plus 1, and then vice versa. If it's less than, then we're going to update the value pointer of the right to the midpoint minus 1. So let's see here. Let's go ahead and get into it. So say left is equal to 0, and then right is equal to x. And then we're going to say while left is less than or equal to right, we're going to say mid equals left plus right. And then we're going to do a 4 division so we don't have any floating numbers. And then we're going to say if mid times mid is greater than, say is less than x, then we need to do left equals mid plus 1. What do you think about that? If mid times mid, so yeah, I believe that's correct. So if mid times mid plus 4 equals yes. Oh wait, no, sorry. So if this is, yeah, no, that should be right. Okay, sorry about that. And then if mid times mid is greater than x, we need to change the right value to mid minus 1. All right. And then lastly, we'll say else return mid, because that means we found the middle, or sorry, we found the square root if none of these are true. And then lastly, if we do get to our left greater than right edge case, we are going to return right, and that's because the square root is somewhere in the middle of left and right, but we want to return the floor to the lowest value, so we don't want to go above the actual square root value. So we'll say return right. Let's go ahead and run that. Perfect. Let's go ahead and submit this. Perfect. Got that to work. Alrighty. There you have it, guys. I appreciate all the support you guys have been giving me. If you liked my solution, go ahead and let me know in the comments. If you had a better one, let me know in the comments. If you learned anything, go ahead and leave a like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. I am solving a LeetCode question every single day for at least 90 days. So guys, follow me on my journey to become a LeetCode master. I appreciate all the support and have a good one. I'll see you tomorrow.